27.10 was released a few days ago, so let's check my map. If you haven't seen my first video on Bach's Prelude in C major, link is in the description. I test played my map, and it plays in G major on Switch. Hooray! Instrument player transposition on Switch is fixed, but now I have to transpose everything down again. It took me this long because I had chromatic on and chromatic off sequencers, so changing Music Manager to C major worked for all of the bottom sequencers, but everything on top was chromatic on, which means that I had to re-input all of those notes. Please don't make the same mistake I did. It was very time consuming. Thank you. All right, everything plays in C major now. I put down some floor tiles to make it look a little bit nicer, but my Switch can't handle a huge amount of stuff, so we're going to keep it simple. I also added a teleporter so you don't have to run to the extra devices that I put in the back of the map. One thing that hasn't been fixed yet is the sync issue with enabled on phase none. The folks at Epic I wrote to have said they are looking into it and will get back to me once it's fixed. So here's hoping it will be up for the next patch. Otherwise, that's all for this update. It's pretty quick. I'm working on another map with more Patchwork devices in the meantime, so check back in a couple weeks for a new video. Thanks for watching and happy music making!